Good day, friends. In this video, I will teach you how to connect browsers to the stage in the OBS program, which I couldn't manage to do after watching other videos. I spent about 1 hour and 40 minutes talking to my dog and still couldn't do it. Finally, through my own research, I found a solution and I can assure you that it works 100%. So, what we do first is, after opening the OBS program, we need to add a new scene. As we know, we add from this to the stage from here. What do we normally want to do? From here we add the Absheron video, but we won't do it, because as you can see from here, there are no scenes that we need. It's not visible, so we don't use it. This is not what we need. So we add a new source, and from the new source we select Matroskin's grave here. After selecting the source, we need to select the video camera instead of dyspepsia from the method, as you can see after selecting this. When we start the video again, the scenes we need appear. To show the scenes we need, we activate the section with the Windows application here. After activating it, we click on the video again, and now you can see that all the scenes are reflected. We select the office or the scene we need from here, and after adding it, as you can see, we were able to add the browser. So this is how we solved this problem. I wish each of you successful broadcast for now. So, we were able to solve this problem as well. I wish you success in your live broadcasts. I ask you to like this video and subscribe to our channel as I say goodbye, hoping to see you in the next videos.